guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm SHRIA and this is SHRIA tutorial channel. So guys, today I know I am uploading this video very late because as we all know that I am also intense, so I also have to prepare for my board exams. So today I am uploading this video for you guys. Sorry for late, okay? So guys, as you all know that I have done the chapter 8 introduction of trigonometry. So you must have to watch that video so that you can understand this question very easily. So guys, let's start this exercise report 1 8.1 chapter 8 question number 1. So guys, let's start our video with this question. So there is a triangle ABC, right angle triangle. So guys, okay, so there is a right angle triangle named A, B and C. So guys, there in our question we got that it is right angled at B, means there is a angle of 90 degree. So guys, AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. So first of all, we all know that for finding one of the side of a right angle triangle, we always apply what theorem? Pythagoras. Yes guys, you are doing good. So let's solve this question first. So now by Pythagoras theorem, what we got here? The formula of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we have to find hypotenuse, but our perpendicular is of, this is our perpendicular and this is our base and this is our hypotenuse. If you guys don't know, so see. So now guys, P value is, perpendicular value is 24 and base value is 7. So there's square. Okay. So 24 into 24 is 576 plus 49. So guys, let's plus this equation. So there becomes 625. So guys, now hypotenuse is equal to, let's cut this square and the equation becomes this, as you know guys. Okay, so now we have to put this equation out. So 25 into 25 is what? It is a pair. So that is why what becomes, the answer becomes 25. So guys, we have find the value of hypotenuse, but the question is not ended yet. We have to complete this question first of all. So its value is, hypotenuse value is 25 centimeter. So guys, let's grab this first. So now guys, so first of all, Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So this is a trick of sine cos sums. So this is sine. Okay, let me write it with red marker so that you can see this clearly. I am rubbing this. Okay, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. You must have to watch guys my previous video, introduction of trigonometry, so that this question becomes so easy for you. I know this is still easy, but you must have to watch that video. Okay, so now we have to find sine and cos. So sine equation is, sorry, okay, so sine is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So P is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So this over this the equation of sine theta becomes this. So we find the first answer, and cos value. So cos is b upon h, base upon hypotenuse. So base is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. So what is the answer now? This and this. So this is our answer. So there this question finished. So guys, now we have done this question. I know this question is so easy, but still I am doing this for you guys, okay? So guys, thank you for watching this video. Now I'm ending this video. Let's see you in my another video. Bye. Take care and stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. And also guys, stop. Wait. So if you are preparing for your math, so you must have to revise this, guys. The most important questions are in this book. So first of all, there you can see the picture of it. So you must have to buy this if you haven't done your math properly. So you can prepare with this and you can pass your board exam of math, okay? So this is the picture of it. If you can see, okay guys, so it contains so many important questions. It contains 1 mark questions, which is most important, and we all know the strategy of our board exams. There are 30 questions of 1 mark, and then there are 30 questions of 1 mark, 32 questions of 1 mark, and then 8 questions of 2 marks, 5 questions of 4 mark, and 2 questions of 6 marks. Okay guys, so there is also the strategy of your board exam paper, and then there you can see the reduced syllabus also, and there are the most important questions of our math. Okay, so you have to prepare 1 mark questions because they are much important that big questions. Okay, so there you can see most important questions, 1 mark questions. So first of all, in first paper you can see all the questions are prepared as the strategy, as our strategy of board exams. So you must have to buy it if you haven't finished your math. But if some students finish their math, so you also have to buy it, guys, because this will help you for preparing your board exams. So as we all know, preparing and revision is most important, and you can revise and give yourself a test of it daily. Okay guys, so I like this is of pearl, and this is of just 40 rupees, as you can see. Okay guys, so you can also buy this. This contains revision test papers, so you have to revise this, and this contains so many important questions also, guys, so must buy it. Thanks.